Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers. This simple task can greatly improve your driving visibility and safety. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool and a soft towel to protect your windshield. This entire process typically takes less than 10 minutes for both wipers. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your windshield until it stands upright and locks. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off. Once removed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the towel you placed earlier to prevent any damage. With the old blades off, installing the new ones is a breeze. Again, lift the wiper arm into its upright position. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat these steps for the other wiper arm. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using the washer fluid. Watch for smooth, streak-free wiping across the entire glass surface. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for the best visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.